Welcome to Whitetail Garage. In this video, we're going to install some pistons. When installing pistons, the thing to keep in mind is there's an indicator. On the stock pistons, it's a dot. Sometimes it's an arrow. There's different indicators, but that indicator faces forward. And then on the connecting rods, with the stock connecting rod, they're stamped with the cylinder number, and that not only keeps the piston in the right hole for balancing purposes, but then you also have the matching connecting rod cap to the connecting rod itself, because they are each stamped. Like this one is 6, so they're both stamped 6. I know you can't see it on the camera, but both stamped 6, and so this one will have to go in the number 6 hole. So this is number 1. We'll go find number 1. So I use these little socks on the bolts in order to make sure the bolts don't hit the crank and nick the crank on the way in. My plan is to install the bearings on the rods and caps, apply lube, put the sock on, and then slam them in. I'm using just the Summit 4-inch. Again, confirming that I've got number 1. Confirming that the dot is facing forward. Got the crank at a decent distance. Go. From the bottom. Being very deliberate to line up the correct orientation where the stamp is. Move on to the next hole. Again, just validating every time. Number 4 is in the 4th hole. Dots up front. Now it's just a matter of rolling it over, forking the rods. Torque these down to 25 foot-pounds. All right, well, that's the built short block. It's ready to go. Next step, cylinder heads, intake, oil pan, oil pump, timing set. All that stuff's got to go on, so those will be coming up in upcoming videos, but short block is complete. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Never a plane until I need to talk. Time to drink beer. You want some food? Yeah. Come on.